Certainly we could. I mean, there are atmospheric traces that look at, there's been some recent work on industrial pollution, so looking at CFCs, that kind of thing. And they tend to hang around in planetary atmospheres for sort of tens of thousands of years. So you can trace for reasonable timescales in terms of civilization lengths. Yeah, you can trace the kind of these byproducts of industrial civilization. You might be able to pick up these traces. But again, 50,000 years in the grand scheme of things is not that long. I mean, the solar system is 4.5 billion years old, and the universe is, what, 13.8 billion years old. So 50,000 years is a blink of an eye in those terms. So again, the chances of getting pot luck and hitting something at the right time to see those traces in a planetary atmosphere are very rare. And that, of course, assumes, of course, that your advanced, intelligent people on a different planet are going to go through an industrialization process. They may suddenly have they may develop a philosophy which requires total environmentalism or something. I mean, you've got no idea how aliens think. So they may not come up with that kind of the idea of having space flight, having radio telescopes. They may not even think of those things. So yeah, it's weird. You've got no idea what's out there until you go look. You've got no idea what's out there. But the problem is going out there and looking is incredibly hard. And that's why you have to have these big missions to listen to radio signals, because the easiest way to get from place to place is by sending a radio signal or looking at the light that's coming from somewhere else and seeing what comes back.